Lenovo has launched the Lecoo Pro 14 in China, a new 14-inch thin and light laptop that emphasizes connectivity, upgradability, and external GPU support. It is available in both Intel and AMD variants and carries a suggested retail price of 5,799 yuan, around $856. You can choose between an Intel Core Ultra 5 135H or an AMD Ryzen 7 H255 processor. Both configurations come standard with 24GB of LPDDR5 memory and a 512GB PCIe solid-state drive. The AMD model utilizes 6,400 metric tons per second memory, while the Intel model runs at 5,600 metric tons per second. Both versions feature dual M.2 2280 SSD slots, a practical inclusion that allows you to upgrade or add storage later. The display hardware is identical across both models. Lenovo is using a 14-inch 2.8K 2880 by 1800 panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. It peaks at 400 nits of brightness, covers 100% of the sRGB color space, and uses a matte anti-glare coating with DC dimming to reduce flicker. The chassis features aluminum alloy on the top and bottom covers, weighs 1.48 kilograms, and includes a hinge that opens flat to 180 degrees. Where the Lecoo Pro 14 separates itself from typical thin and lights is its port selection. Lenovo has included a dedicated OCuLink interface on the motherboard. This port provides a direct PCIe connection for external desktop graphics cards, offering significantly more bandwidth and lower latency than standard Thunderbolt or USB 4 connections for eGPU setups. Alongside the OCuLink port, the laptop includes two USB-C ports, one being a 40 gigabits per second USB 4 port, three USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, an HDMI 2.1 output, a gigabit Ethernet RJ45 jack, a microSD card reader, and a standard 3.5mm audio jack. To handle thermals, Lenovo is using a dual-fan rear exhaust system capable of sustaining a 65W TDP in its highest performance mode. The cooling setups differ slightly between the two models, with the Intel version utilizing 3 heat pipes and the AMD version using 2. Power is supplied by an 80Wh battery, which charges via an included 100W GAN USB-C adapter. Rounding out the spec sheet is a 1080p webcam with a physical privacy shutter, Wi-Fi 6 support, and a fingerprint reader integrated into the power button. The laptop ships with Windows 11 Home pre-installed.